Today, I'll show you how to make a homemade skin lightening face wash using natural ingredients you can easily find in your kitchen. This is a DIY carrot face wash that helps to brighten your skin, even out your complexion, and get rid of dark spots over time. It's gentle, effective, and easy to prepare. So let's get started. First, you'll need 2 fresh carrots. Try to choose organic carrots if possible, as they are free from harmful chemicals and give the best skin benefits. Wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Next, grate your carrots using a regular kitchen grater. This helps to break them down into smaller pieces, making it easier to extract their nutrients. Grating releases all the juice and vitamins that are packed inside. Carrots are not just good for your health. They are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that do wonders for the skin. They contain vitamin A, which helps to repair skin tissues, and antioxidants, which fight free radicals. These properties help in lightening the skin naturally and also protect it from sun damage. The vitamins in carrots, especially vitamin C and beta-carotene, help replenish the skin, giving it a fresh and radiant glow. They also support collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. Once you've grated the carrots, put them into a clean glass jar or bowl. You'll need enough space in the jar for the next step. Now, add some rose water to the jar. Make sure to pour enough rose water so that it completely covers the grated carrot. Rose water is soothing for the skin and helps maintain its pH balance. It also gives this face wash a lovely, fresh fragrance. Once the jar is filled, place it in warm water for about 15 minutes. This helps to activate the nutrients in the carrot and rose water mixture. Let it sit for 6 to 8 hours so the carrot can infuse into the water completely. You can even leave it overnight for better results. After the infusion is complete, it's time to grind the mixture. Use a blender or grinder to blend it into a smooth paste. This will ensure all the beneficial properties are mixed together properly. Now, strain the mixture using a fine cloth or strainer. This will separate the juice from the carrot pulp. The liquid you get is what we'll use to make the face wash. Next, you're going to need some soap as a cleansing base. You can grate any gentle soap of your choice. It could be a baby soap, glycerin soap, or a natural organic soap. Choose something mild that suits your skin type. Once you've grated the soap, add it to the strained carrot and rose water mixture. Stir it well to allow the soap to dissolve and blend in smoothly. Now it's time to add a few more powerful ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it locks moisture into your skin. It also has antibacterial properties that help to fight acne and soothe the skin. Then, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps to tone the skin, balance oil production, and lighten pigmentation. It also acts as a natural preservative for your face wash. Finally, take 1 omega-3 oil capsule, pierce it, and add the oil to the mixture. Omega-3 fatty acids help to strengthen the skin barrier and reduce inflammation, making your skin look healthy and glowing. Mix everything thoroughly until it becomes a smooth and well-blended mixture. Your homemade Skin Lightening Face Wash is now ready. Store it in a clean bottle, preferably one with a pump or flip top for convenience. This makes it easy to use every day. So how do you use it? You can use this face wash daily in the morning as part of your skincare routine. Just take a small amount, massage it gently into your skin in circular motions, and then rinse off with water. Store it at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. If your room is too hot, you can keep it in a cool, dry place. The shelf life is about 3 to 4 weeks, thanks to the vinegar and honey, which act as natural preservatives. After washing your face, don't forget to apply a moisturizer of your choice to lock in hydration and keep your skin soft and supple. And that's it! Your skin will thank you for this gentle and nourishing face wash. Over time, you'll start to notice a more even tone, fewer dark spots, and a fresh, glowing look. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. See you next time.